Hey guys, I bought a welder a couple of weeks ago. It's the Arccaptain 130 MIG welder. Um, this is it, and it's pretty small. Right now they're only 119 bucks. So if you're looking for a cheap MIG welder, seriously recommend you checking this out. It's really small. You can see, use my hand for comparison. It's actually like, okay. All right. So, I do have the Arccaptain TIG 200p AC DC welder, and it's worked really well for me. I've had it for a couple of weeks. I've been using it on a welding project. I had no idea on how to TIG weld, and I basically just finished building a camper with it, and the money I saved on this welder has been phenomenal. I was going to spend $3 grand for a welder, but decided on this, and I'm really happy that I did. Check out my videos on this welder and my camper build. You can see it in action. Okay, so the 130 MIG welder. It comes with, let's see, instructions, a stick welder lead, a ground wire, which is right here, and the MIG lead, which is a lightweight lead, and it's about 5 or 6 feet long. It's very short, but very doable for small projects. And it comes with some flux core MIG wire. It is a flux core machine. It doesn't run gas. And let's go ahead and put this in and give it a shot and see how good it is. Oops. Okay, to put in the wire, first off you need to take this off, and you should pop this off and open that up. Take your wire, oops, you want to put this on first before you lose your before your wire gets all unspooled, which wouldn't be the first time for me. And cut that. Go ahead and feed that in there. Okay, it'll come in here, it'll pass the wheel, then you got to get it in this little hole, which with my big fingers it's kind of hard to do, but okay, let's see, where's my screwdriver? There it is. All right. There we go. Okay, just feed that in there a few inches. All right, now you can close this, and then you can lock her down. And at that point, we're going to turn it on, and the on switch is in the back. Oh, I got to turn on the power. Okay, now that we've plugged it in, we can turn it on. And there we go. Now, go ahead and let it cycle through. I think the fan should stop. Maybe not. Okay, so take your lead and make sure it's not kinked anywhere, and then just push your handle and you'll see it start feeding. You'll go into high speed mode, whatever that is, which is kind of nice. Gets it done fast. Oh, there it is. Okay. I guess it slows down when it gets to here. So then you want to cut this right about there. And we're ready to weld. So let's do it. Alright, we'll zoom in on the settings. And we're going to go to 100. And we've got the ground on the positive side. And it's on MIG, and then you got stick, and then you got some kind of TIG setup, which I haven't looked into yet. And we're at 1030 wire, so we're all set to go. Alright, so you can see the welds. Looks really good. I'm liking them. See, that weld came out pretty good. And so it does weld well. You know, for 119 bucks, I was questioning it, but not at this point. Alright guys, I give this welder 5 stars for the price of $119, because for that, it's welding like a champ. So we'll give it a little workout with a couple of projects and see how well it does over time, and then I'll do another follow-up review on it. Alright guys, hey, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you'd like to follow along and not miss any of my other videos, go ahead and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks guys.